Hey guys, it's Barb with Barbie and Designs. I have a fast motion video here for you tonight with a great transfer called Then Sings My Soul from Couture. You can see that I have a black board. This was something I picked up clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I just painted it black. And now I am taking hymnal pages and decoupaging them on with Mod Podge. I cut all the hymnal pages about the same size and shape, and so they match pretty good. And I'm putting them on in an orderly fashion and yet a little turned here and there. So it has a consistent look, but yet not straight across. Once I get all of the pages on, I am just going to make sure there's no bumps or bubbles in it. It's always good to get your fingers wet when you do that. Then I am just literally moistening the edges and tearing off the excess on the sides, and then putting a little extra glue down so that those sides lay flat against the edges. And just doing that on all four sides all the way around. And now we are good to go for the next step. I wanted it to look a little antiqued, and so I am using some dark wax. This is just a water-based wax that I'm brushing on with a foam brush, and then I am literally wiping it down with a paper towel. It is as easy as that. This not only gives it a great look, but also gives it a nice sealed finish. Next, I'm going to put my Chalk Couture transfer down, and I'm using black Chalk Couture paste. It's not a paint, it's a paste, and I'm drying it as I go down. You want that chalk paste wet when you pull up the transfer. But as quick as that, I have a beautiful, beautiful piece. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it.